Have you ever wondered if willpower is an innate trait or a skill that can be developed and mastered? In this video, we delve into the intriguing question: is willpower a skill? Prepare to challenge your beliefs as we uncover the science behind willpower, explore real-life success stories, and unveil actionable strategies to enhance this critical skill. Are you ready to use willpower over willpower? Scene script. Point 1. Practice and effort. So, you know how you practice to get better at playing an instrument or acing a video game level? Well, guess what? Willpower is a skill too, and it gets stronger with training and use. Take the example of a violinist. They use techniques like progressive muscle relaxation and positive self-talk before concerts to improve their stage presence and control those nervous tremors. Scene script. Point 2. Cognitive processes. Now, willpower isn't just about brute force. It involves cognitive functions like attention, self-control, and planning. Imagine a surgeon. They need incredible focus during long operations. To maintain composure, they might use deep breathing and mindfulness exercises. It's like a mental workout for that willpower muscle. Scene script. Point 3. Individual variability. Here's the deal. Some people are naturally blessed with higher levels of willpower. But hold on, it's not set in stone. Your willpower can fluctuate, influenced by things like sleep, stress, and motivation. Think about two roommates with different sleep habits. One's a morning person, while the other battles morning sluggishness with alarms and routines. It's all about finding what works for you. New point. Environment matters. Your surroundings play a big role. Creating a conducive environment can help you build and sustain willpower. For instance, if you're trying to eat healthier, having nutritious snacks readily available at home makes it easier to resist the temptation of junk food. Scene script. Point 4. Real-world impact. Now, let's talk results. Strong willpower is like a magic wand that can positively impact various aspects of your life. From acing your academics to managing your weight and even overcoming addiction, it's a game changer. Imagine someone terrified of public speaking. Through exposure therapy and visualization techniques, they conquer their stage fright, delivering powerful presentations with confidence. New point: set small goals. Breaking down your larger goals into smaller, achievable steps can make willpower more manageable. It's like conquering a video game level. You take it one step at a time. Celebrate those small wins, and before you know it, you've mastered the entire game. Scene script. Point 5. Response to training science backs this up too. Ever heard of the Stanford marshmallow experiment? Kids who delayed gratification for a larger reward showed improved self-control. It's like a mental boot camp. Take the example of a rehabilitation program for addicts. They use mindfulness and acceptance techniques, gradually building resistance to triggers and developing coping mechanisms.